Hello, Assalamu alaikum. I am Zahir Hussain and you are watching my YouTube channel Technical Teaching. So before starting, it's my humble request, please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel and also press the bell icon in order to get all updated videos. So in this video, we will be discussing the question number 9 of chapter number 1, exercise 1.3. So in this exercise, we are solving the given equation by using quadratic formula. So before solving or finding out the roots of any given equation, first of all, we compare the given equation by standard form of quadratic equation, that is ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. So if our given equation satisfies the standard form of quadratic equation, then we will find out the roots of a given equation by using quadratic formula. If the given equation does not satisfy the standard form of quadratic equation, then first of all we will simplify the equation and then we will use the quadratic formula to find out the roots. Okay, so now look, compare both the equation. This is a given equation and this is the standard form of quadratic equation. So compare them. X square, here the coefficient of x square is a, and in a given equation the coefficient of x square is 1. Okay, next x and the coefficient of x is b. Here we have x and the coefficient of x is m minus n. Then we have constant, and here this minus 2 m minus n of whole square is our the value of c, that is constant. Okay, it means our given equation satisfy the standard form of quadratic equation. Then we will move towards our next step, that is by using quadratic formula we will find out the roots of a given equation. So we have a quadratic formula, that is x equals to minus b plus minus radical b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Okay, this is our quadratic formula. Now in the next step, first of all we will extract the values of a variable that are being used in our quadratic formula. So the variables are a, b and c. So first of all we will extract their values from the given equation. So the value of a will be x square. The coefficient of x square is a. In a given equation the coefficient of x square is 1, so the value of a will be 1. Then we have a b. So the value of a b in our given equation is m minus n, because the coefficient of x is b. So in a given equation the coefficient of x is m minus n, so the value of b will become m minus n. Okay, then we have c, constant. C is equals to minus 2 m minus n of whole square. Okay, so you have extracted all the values of a variable that are being used in our quadratic formula from the given equation. So in the next step, simply use these values or substitute this value in a quadratic formula. So x will be equals to minus minus b. The value of b is m minus n. So m minus n. Operational sign is positive and negative. Radical b square. So the value of b is m minus n. So m minus n of square. Minus 4 is a constant. 4 multiplied by ac. The value of a is 1. Multiplied by c. The value of c is minus 2 m minus n of square. So minus 2 m minus n of square, and this is radical upon 2a. The value of a is 1. Okay, so simply in this step what we have done, just simply we have substituted the value of given variables in our formula. Now simplify it. X will be equals to minus m minus n plus minus radical m minus n of square. So m minus n of square minus minus plus 4 ones are 4, 4 multiplied by 2, the answer will be 8 into m minus n of square upon 2 ones are 2. Clear? So according to the addition rule of a variable, if we have same basis, simply we add the coefficient of a variables. So here the coefficient of m minus n of square is 1, and here the coefficient of m minus n of square is 8. So we have same basis, the operational sign is plus, so simply add the coefficient. So in it will become x equals to minus m minus n plus minus radical 1 plus 8, the answer will be 9 m minus n of square. Now look, 3m minus n of square, 9 radical m minus n of square. So simply we can write instead of 9 3 of whole square, so it will become 9. Clear? And this divided by 2. So we will obtain x is equals to minus m minus n plus minus radical 3m minus n of whole square, okay, divided by 2. We did this because we have to cancel out the radical with square, okay. So for that purpose we have write 3 of square instead of 9. So x will be equals to, the square radical will cancel out each other, the equation will become minus m minus n plus minus 3m minus n upon 2, okay. So now from here we can find out the roots of x. So the one root of x will be equals to minus m minus n plus 3m minus n upon 2, and the other root will be x is equals to minus m minus n minus 3m minus n upon 2, okay. So simplify it and find out the root of x. So x will be equals to minus plus minus m minus minus plus n positive 3 multiplied by m minus n, so it will become plus 3m plus minus minus 3n divided by 2, okay. So x will be equals to, now look in numerator, minus m and plus 3m, so the answer will be positive 2m plus n and minus 3n, the remainder will be minus 2n divided by 2. Now look, 2m minus 2m and divided by 2. So if we take 2 as a common from the numerator, it will become x equals to 2m minus, this will be n, m minus n upon 2. So 2 divided by 2, the answer will be 1. So x will be equals to m minus n. So we have find a single root of x that is equals to m minus n. So the other root of x we can find from this value. X equals to minus plus minus m minus minus plus n minus 3 multiplied by n, so it will become minus 3m minus minus plus 3 multiplied by n, 3n upon 2. Okay, now in numerator we have minus m and minus 3m, so it will become x equals to minus 4m, and here we have positive n and positive 3n, so it will become positive 4n upon 2. Now look, if we take common 2 from the numerator, so it will be equals to x equals to 2 minus 2m plus 2n divided by 2. So in numerator we have 2 and in denominator we have 2. So 2 will be cancelled out. So x will be equals to minus 2m and plus 2n. Okay. So the our solution set will become m minus n and comma minus 2m plus 2n. Okay, so you find out the two roots of x. One is x minus n and other one is minus 2m plus 2n. Okay, so in this way you can find out the roots of any given equation by using quadratic formula. Just what you have to do, follow the steps and find out the roots. Okay, thank you very much.